and welcome. In this presentation, I'll be discussing Costco Wholesale, focusing on how the company underperforms in the area of innovativeness. I'll walk through the impact this has on the company, analyze contributing factors, and offer a change strategy using Cotter's 8-step model. The recording link is available for you for future use. Costco is known as one of the most respected retailers in the world, operating on a member-based warehouse model. With over 900 global locations, the company's strength lies in its cost leadership strategy, loyal member base, and commitment to employee satisfaction. However, as we'll see, its traditional strengths haven't translated well into a digital space. This is one of Fortune's 8 dimensions for top U.S. companies. It reflects how well a company adapts, evolves, and pushes boundaries. In Costco's case, while operational efficiency is excellent, its lag in digital transformation, such as online presence, delivery services, and mobile integration, limits its competitive edge. Costco's main challenge in the innovativeness dimension lies in its limited progress in digital transformation. While competitors like Amazon, Walmart, and even Target have major strides in developing fast, flexible channels for shopping experiences, Costco has largely maintained its conservative approach rooted in its traditional warehouse model. Costco's e-commerce remains small, only about 7% of the revenue, and it's trailing behind Amazon and Walmart in delivering convenient channel services. Costco's lag in digital innovation is already creating ripple effects. Younger, tax-savvy consumers expect seamless shopping. Think mobile apps, real-time inventory, and home delivery. Costco's limited capabilities in these areas mean it struggles to attract or retain this generation of shoppers. Additionally, with many competitors adopting to an omnichannel model, customers can shop anywhere, anytime. Costco's heavier reliance on the in-store shopping reduces its convenience factor and limits market growth, particularly in urban areas where store access is less practical. Over time, this reduces customer lifetime value and dampens the growth in the non-store revenue. Continue. The long-term consequences could be substantial. One concern is brand perception. Costco could be viewed as outdated or slow to adapt. This is especially risky as consumer behavior continues to evolve post-pandemic. Furthermore, as competitors gain ground in retail, Costco could lose both market share and brand loyalty. It's not just about keeping up, it's about staying ahead of the expectations. Without change, even loyal customers might be tempted to find something faster or more accessible. The result could mean a weaker financial performance and a reduced ability to attract new customers. Structure is highly efficient. Functional departments and decentralized operations allow for local responsiveness while maintaining that corporate consistency. Promotion from within builds a strong leadership pipeline grounded in warehouse knowledge. Culturally, Costco values fairness and employee well-being, contributing to low turnover and high morale. However, this structure and cultural prioritization over experimentation, because the organization is looking inward and stable, it doesn't really attract outside ideas and it limits its capability for that innovative growth. Costco's structure and internal culture are not designed for agility. Innovation requires tolerance, fast iteration, and collaboration across departments, traits that are less emphasized at Costco. The current model supports operational excellence but slows digital transformation efforts. This lack of structural support and cultural feedback is directly tied to the company's underperformance in innovativeness, and it dims its identification in Fortune 5. A strong example of a company that leads with values. It pays its workers well, promotes from within, and cultivates loyalty and service orientation. These are clear markers of conscious culture and stakeholder-based management. However, to elevate its overall performance, especially in innovativeness, Costco must extend its conscious values to include openness to change. That means empowering employees to innovate and embedding experimentation into its culture not just into operational excellence. Gives Costco a roadmap to improve in the area of innovativeness. First, leaders must clearly communicate why innovation matters. Then, by forming a coalition of internal champions and building a shared digital vision, Costco can begin a meaningful transformation. Removing barriers and celebrating small wins, like piloting same day delivery, can help build trust. Over time, these efforts can be scaled and embedded into company values and leadership practices, aligning innovation with deeply rooted conscious culture. Costco may face resistance from employees who are used to this traditional in store model. Leaders might be reluctant to invest in digital initiatives due to short term cost concerns. We'll need champions from within and a strong internal communications plan to overcome this hesitation and to show the long term value. This will need to be realigned with successful change. HR must hire digital talent and upskill current employees. IT should invest in mobile and e commerce tools. Operations need to enable in store and online fulfillment workflows. And culture needs to start celebrating this innovation. It's not just about executing it, it's about really wanting it to be part of your new culture. I think a major lesson learned is that things that make an organization strong can also limit the way it grows. Um, as a manager, I'll focus on blending stability with adaptability, building these collaborative teams and fostering trust while also leading through empowering rather than controlling. That's how we're going to ensure the culture remains strong and evolves.